Good morning, Baba. Tell mommy good morning. Say mommy good morning. Say mommy good morning. Baba. 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 My Baba. My Baba. Good morning. What is it? Is that one cry? Is that one cry? Do you want to cry? What happened now? Huh? Say your mouth. Hi guys, welcome back again to this vlog. So guys, I received this package from Shein and I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. This is not the only thing I have to unbox. I also received some things from Africa. I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. Bought things for myself, for Angel and for Owen. Owen, leave it, okay? So I ordered this. I think this is one. Okay, this one is for Angel. Look at Angel's own. So I wanted to order the same thing for him and his brother, for Angel and Owen. So this is the only thing I could find there that is his size and Owen's size. This is the only thing I found there. Look at this. This trouser. It also have a tie. This one is for Owen. This particular one is for Owen. Is this one not even too small? Because I ordered size I ordered 3 to 4 years. Oh my god, I think it's too small. Wow. It's too small. Mommy. But he will manage it anyway. Mommy. A baby. Yeah, this one is for baby. This one is for Angel and this for Owen. So this is for me. Me. Yeah, this is mine. I saw this gown and I like it. I like it. I just ordered it. Oh my goodness. Guys, hold on. I'm going to wear this gown for you guys to see. It's a long gown and I ordered this shoe to wear it. This is the shoe I want to use. Like, it's just like the heel is not too high. That is the main reason why I ordered this, because something that is too high, I can't wear it. I don't want something that I will buy that I won't wear. Oh my god, 41. Are you kidding me? I ordered size 41. I didn't know I'm supposed to order size 40, but I hope you size me anyway. So yeah, this is it. Oh wait, this is not yours, okay? This is for mommy. This is it. I ordered this top as well. Look at it. Look, this. Look. Anyway, let me wear my own dress for you guys to see. There is the top I showed you guys earlier. So yeah, I just saw it. It's like this. You see, you need to button it. Yeah. So this is the top. I like it. I love it. I love how it looks at this place. Yeah, you see it. It's not that thick, it's light. You can even wear it during summer. So guys, I'm finally able to wear this. The zip was kind of hard to like lock. Yeah, so this is it. I love it. I don't even know how I'm going to show you guys the full dress. Honey, please help me. So guys, this is how this particular dress look. Like you see it, I love it a lot. So beautiful. I love it. It's okay. It's okay, Jessica. It's okay. Bubble. Hi guys, welcome back again to my vlog. Today I received this package today. I have ordered this for like 2 weeks or so now. Yeah, so I want to unbox it.
Box it.
Yeah, I want to unbox it.
Box.
We need scissors. Remove this. Do you like it? Let me see your face. Do you like it?